Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So I finally finished up my Memorial Day bonus, and I'm here to share that with you. I know it's kind of late in the game, but you probably know most of these deals by now. I think I've literally done all the deals except that Faye over there. But I did finish it off, and I'm happy about it. So this is Walmart, this is Kroger over 2 days, and then this is Joann Fabrics, which is a really nice deal. I'm on this soap right here. And this has been my month to load up on hand soap. Awesome. Okay, so I went and did this at Walmart. I grabbed one of the Snapples. I only needed 6 more rebates to make it. And this was a hard bonus to hit, but I finally hit it. Memorial Day bonus, $5 when you do 20 rebates. So I did the Snapple. It's $1. I got 50 cents from Ibotta, so it made it free, or 50 cents, sorry. Johnson's powder was $1.92. I had $2 from Ibotta, so it made it a little bit of a moneymaker, but with tax it was like 6 cents. Crunchmaster was $2.78. I had a $1 coupon and a $1 Ibotta. There was a checkout 51, but I did it earlier in the week, so it was just 78 cents. My grandma loves those, so I'll take it. And the Welch's, this was $2. I had a 75-cent Ibotta and 80 cents from Shopkick, so 45 cents there. Okay, let's talk Joann's. Okay, I don't know how we earned this. I think my mom went in there a couple weeks ago and used the Joann's app. She used a coupon, and the lady gave her the rewards, and I guess it somehow, she only spent like $3, but it automatically gave her this $10 reward that came out, and it was going to expire tomorrow, so I was like, I got to go in there and use it. So I got 10 of these hand soaps for $1, and it took off that $10 reward and just made it free. There was no tax or anything. It was just straight up free 10 things of soap. That is amazing. That was awesome. So I really enjoyed that. I could have got anything in Joann's. I just didn't know what else to get, so I went ahead and grabbed that. I have enough stuff, honestly. And I even grabbed some clearance things I didn't really need, but whatever. So I got the soap, though, for free, which is awesome. The Faye, this is at Kroger. These were 49 cents. I had a 50-cent Ibotta, so I made it free. This is on the Woohoo. They're not always 49 cents. And yesterday I grabbed a L'Oreal for $3.99. I had that $2 TerraPad and a $1.50 Ibotta, so 49 cents there. And today I went back and I did the Horizon milk. It's $5.99. They sent me a free product coupon, so made that free. They sent me 2 of those, actually, so I'll be sure to do more. I grabbed another bakery on Main oatmeal for $5.09. I had a free product coupon they sent me in the mail, so I paid nothing, and I got 25 cents on any oatmeal from Ibotta. And I also had a 10-cent any item in here as well. And I just repeated the L'Oreal. So I know this is a small haul, but in the end, it was all a $1.98 moneymaker. But when you pair it up with everything I've gotten from Sunday that was towards the bonus and all this stuff, it was a cost of 69 cents, which 69 cents for 2 Crunchmasters, 2 juice, 10 hand soaps thrown in there and all that oatmeal stuff. I can take 69 cents for all that stuff. And it's still, in this month, for the month of May, we are still, if anyone's wondering how it's been going with how much I've been spending this month after rebates, it's still at a moneymaker. So, yeah, you'll see that video out in a few days. So, yeah, that's all I have. I hate this is so short, but hopefully you can get out there and finish your bonus if you're needing to. Yeah, thank you so much for watching.